As we were driving, Steve actually slept in the back of the patrol car. It was so unusual that it was just casual to him. Like, he didn't feel anything.